welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to track your order on Amazon. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you have to open Amazon app. Make sure you are logged in into the account you used to place the order. Now, on the top right side, you will find account and list option. Drop down the arrow and you will see several options. Go on your orders and you will see list of all your recent order. Find the one you want to track and click on track package next to it. Now you will see current status of your order, whether it's packed, shipped, out for delivery or already delivered. If tracking is available, you will also see the live location of your package. And that's it. That's how you track your Amazon orders step by step. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.